Hello, third graders. I'm Miss Taylor. I'm so excited we're going to begin our science unit about animal adaptations. As we learn about animal adaptations, I want you to think about whether or not you agree with this statement. There are no accidents in nature. John Muir said that. Do you agree with him? Think about it as we go throughout this unit, as we learn about animal adaptations. Is there a reason for everything in nature? So every organism, plants and animals, all living things have characteristics that help them fit into their environment. Those are called adaptations. The process of adaptation takes thousands, even millions of years. It's a slow process. So what are some adaptations animals have? Well, one type of adaptation we can see is behavioral adaptations. What an animal does. We see an animal doing something, that's a behavior. And those are behavioral adaptations like migration, hibernation, instincts that animals are born with, like birds. They're born knowing how to build nests. Or also learned behaviors, like when a mother grizzly bear teaches her cub how to fish in the river. Animals also have physical adaptations. Those are features, something animals have. If an animal has it, it's a physical adaptation. These help animals survive in their environment, like camouflage. Imagine a white polar bear living in the snowy environment of the Arctic. That allows them to blend into their surroundings and be better at hunting and catching their prey. Physical adaptations also include beaks, feet, fur, feathers, teeth, claws, fur, feathers, whiskers, tails, ears, gills, anything an organism has. We can tell a lot about animals just by their physical adaptations, like bird beaks. We can tell what birds eat just by the shape of their beaks. It's amazing. Why do animals have adaptations? Well, for survival. Animals must meet their life needs in their habitat. They have to find food, defend themselves, and have babies or reproduce. A population is a group of organisms of the same kind in the same place, like all of the deer in a specific forest or all the ducks in a pond. Populations may adapt over time when there are changes in their environment. Populations can become larger or they can become smaller. And fossils are amazing. Fossils are the remains or impressions of plants or animals that have been preserved in a petrified form or as a mold or cast in rock, like changed and transformed into minerals to a rock form. Paleontologists are scientists that use fossils and fossil evidence to make inferences about what life was like and what conditions were like thousands, even millions of years ago. You can even find fossils here in Virginia. Here are some fossils from the Potomac River. This fossil has the pattern of a seashell that was left behind, the imprint. Here's a fossilized shell. And my favorite thing to search for, fossilized shark's teeth along the banks of the Potomac River. You can find them, they wash up on the shores where they erode out of the cliffs. Because long ago, millions of years ago, there used to be an ocean where the Potomac River and that area is today. It's amazing. So I'm excited for us to get started. Let's begin our new unit about animal adaptations.